Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a fee plan. So before we create a fee plan, let me tell you what exactly fee plan is. So fee plan is something which will help you in automating your entire billing structure. Instead of you doing it manually, you can just simply create a plan and you can generate invoices based on that plan automatically without any manual intervention. For that, need to come to fee plan, click on this fee plan. Here, I can give this fee plan a name. Let's say I want to give it daycare 2024, 2025. Any name you can give it. I can choose the frequency. Frequency, it can be a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. That's totally up to you. And then I can choose a start month as to which month do I want to start this fee plan from. And I can also choose an end month here. Let's say I don't want to end it on a particular month. I want this plan to be there throughout. I can simply choose to ignore the end month here, and then I can choose a billing detail as to the invoice generation date based on whatever date I select here or day I select here. Since I've selected first day, which means 1st of November, 1st of December, 1st of Jan, this is the monthly frequency. So 1st of every month invoice will be automatically generated. And I can also choose the invoice due date. And based on my selection here, you can see here that your invoice will be generated on 1st of November, due on 4th of November for a period of 1st to 30th of November for the current billing period. If I keep it as previous, it will be billed in November but for the month of October. If I keep it as next, it will be billed in November but for the month of December. Let's keep it as current for now, and then I can choose to send out an email to the parents for the invoices being created using this plan. I can simply uncheck or check this. I can also settle any invoices being created using this plan with any credit that is available. That's again totally up to me. I can also add some school note which is not seen by the parents, and I can also add some parent notes which will be shown to the parent on the invoices. Then I click on next. Now here I can simply keep adding all different line items or the components that I want to charge the parents for. Now I selected tuition fee and admission fee. So if you see here, the category is already fixed. Now these is picking up from the time when I created these components. Now these cannot be edited. However, you have the option of editing and changing the amount here. If you want to add any discount or taxes at a plan level, you can also do that from here. Then I can go to next. I can simply save the plan here. And let's say if I go here to billing and accounting, invoices, create invoice, I can simply select a child, enter the invoice date, due date, period, and I can simply select the plan that I just created. Now, based on that plan, whatever line items were there inside that plan, it is automatically picked up here. I can simply click here on save and generate an invoice. This is one way how you can use a fee plan for. So this is how the invoices just got created. Or I can just go to fee plan. Let's say I edit this plan. I can go to next. I have added all the line items. I go to next. Now here I can keep adding students who should be a part of this particular fee plan. Now here, let's say these are the students who are a part of this fee plan. I want to give some discount only to Caroline and not to Chandler. So in that case, I can simply select edit discount for Caroline. I can give discount here for this line item, or if I want to give it for admission fee as a component, I can do that, and I can simply update this. So discount has only been applied for Caroline. And also, let's say the next upcoming invoice as per the plan is 1st of November. But I want Chandler to start in this plan from December onwards, not from November. So I can start the plan for any date for this particular child, and I can remove this end date here, and I can simply save this plan here. Now all my saved plans will be here. I can open that plan here. I can see the plan detail. I can look at the students who are assigned to this plan. So if you see here, Caroline's start date is 1st of November as per the plan, whereas for Chandler, I changed it. Now it is December. Now, since there is no end date, it does not show that what is the next invoice date, the next due date, and the amount. If you see for Caroline, the amount is slightly lesser because I have passed some discount to her. Now, under the upcoming invoice, you will see the next upcoming invoice for the students within this plan. Now, when I open or click this, I can see the plan or the invoice detail here. And once on 1st of November, the invoice is generated for Caroline, it will then be shown under the generated invoice. Now, also one thing to add here, if you see this category as recurring and one time. So if I go and click on preview invoice, the first invoice that will be generated using that plan, it will have both the components, the tuition fee and admission fee. However, the second invoice onwards, if I go here and see the recurring invoice, it will only have tuition fee. Admission fee is no longer a part of this particular invoice because tuition fee for me is a recurring component, which means it will be charged on every duration as per the plan. However, admission fee is just a one time component, which means it will be charged only once within the plan. Thank you so much.